Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the STARTO Ems Muscle Stimulator ABS Trainer Belt USB Rechargeable with total remote control. 12 pieces of gel pads. Strengthen abdominal muscle toner for home gym workout fitness for man and woman. What effects you will have? The ABS Stimulator is for muscle training and body slimming. Yeah, it can help to tone, tighten and strengthen your body muscles. Yeah, we can gain a better figure after consecutive use of that product for about 2 months. Powerful and efficient. That EMS, electrical muscle stimulation tool. Toner is designed for abdominal, arm, leg, hip, waist muscle training with 12 minutes per time, which equals to 1,500 meter running or 30 minutes of swimming. But do not go underwater with that training machine here, of course. That ultimate ABS stimulator provides 6 exercise modes and 15 intensity levels from warm up to high intensity exercise, and finally to relax time. The microcurrent using EMS technology directly affects the muscle fiber and strengthens and shapes it the best way without causing any damage to our bodies. The stimulator works 12 minutes and automatically turns off the power after no operation. It's designed with power self-check function. Only when you stick the gel pads to your body, then the controller starts working. The muscle fitness trainer can be used anytime and anywhere. The remote controller can control all the machines directly without having to press each part. The charging line is 1, 2, 3, and the 3 main units can be charged at the same time, because you have 1 USB, 2, 3 micro USB wires in it. It is a big package. It stimulates different exercises. For example, 20 minutes per time, 1 until 2 times per day. 30 minutes arm movement. For example, 30 minutes sit-ups. For example, 1,500 meter running stimulation. For example, remote range is 5 meters, work time is 3 hours, charging time is 1.5 hours, and it will stop automatically after 12 minutes when you forget to turn it off. You have to connect the charger, then charge complete indicator is off after charging. Assemble the horse device on arm pads or on the stomach pads. Peel off the adhesive pads. Then attach the pads on your arms or your body part who you are going to have a workout with. Clean your body before using the ABS trainer for better experience. The gel needs to be replaced when it's dirty or it cannot stick anymore. But this is not after the first time. It will get on this. Or it will get the job done often. You have a remote with status indicator, with decrease of force minus, with power off and on switch, increase of force plus, and you have a mode switch. On the devices itself, there is a status indicator and a power off and on button. You can have 6 kinds of patterns. Mode number 1 and mode number 2 is fat burning mode. In these 2 modes, the muscle move intensely and burn fat quickly. Mode 1 and 2, fat burning, strong elastic motions, deep stimulation to the, and it will helps the muscle is growing. But this was mode number 3 and 4. Mode number 5 and 6 is the fat burner power mode. These two modes are compound mode, which helps to build perfect figure. And you can adjust it. 15 kinds of strength to adjust the strength of muscle toner from weak to powerful. Oh, the only one you have to do is push the minus and the plus pole. Before and after it, you have a new experience with this. It is really other than other training, like you are lifting some weight, or you have to run in the forest or in the stadium. It is completely different. It will give you little shocks into your muscle, and the muscle will contract. Just press the button to stop the exercise. You can use it while you are traveling, while you are working, while you're watching a movie, and while you're relaxing. It is in status number 1, 2, and 3. It is comfortable. But after this will be a workout really fast. And if you reach level number 15, this is strange. You will feel it all the time long if this machine works on your body. Start fat burning. Oh yeah. What is a low frequency treatment? Our body occurs a low electricity, which we cannot feel, but it is get sensitively acted by outside electronic impulses, and according to it, which takes several changes on body. By the body character, let the body takes a minimum electricity on special parts of the body to exercise muscular by impetus for relieving fatigue and dissolution stress. Relieving symptom to tighten shoot, either waist and back. Betterment of muscular paralysis, massage effect, and a betterment of the diet. That is, it will help you to lose some weight, but you do not have to eat so much. This is the first thing you have to handle. This is a hard thing for me. The material of the host is ABS. The batteries inside are lithium batteries. The frequency is 25 Hz, plus minus 10%. The weight is 15 gram, and it's not so heavy. The remote control size is 70 to 42 to 15 millimeters. The remote range is 5 meters. The remote controller weight is 25 gram. The materials of the pacer is PU plus and carry slice. The paste weight 46 gram. The work time is 3 hours. The charge time is 1.5 hours. This is not a long time to reload this battery inside. And you can use it all day long. You can use it every day. You have to connect the charger, then charge it, completed, job's done. Assemble the host device on abdominal pad or on your arm pads. Peel off the adhesive pads. Assemble the host device on the pads, and then attach the pads on your body. And then you can start immediately with it. Yeah, the low frequency is suitable to 12 minutes one time and 2 up to 3 times a day. If used it a long time or feel harder with impetus, then you will feel tired at the moment. It's able to avoid 30 minutes after dinner and favorite to do after shower on warm washing. That's right. Taking care after using. Please turn off the power after using. Please separate adhesive pads from the machine. Please attach adhesive gel pad to pad holder to prevent adhesive pad for drying, which must pasted in pad holder. The dirty point and etc. on case should be cleaned by wet cloths by a neutral cleaning material and wiped it by during cloth again. Don't keep it in sunshine, hot temperature and humidity, wet and dust place, close a fire or shopping place, etc. To keep it by children who cannot touch. Don't touch drying batteries terminal with a wet hand. If doesn't use it for a long time, more than 1 month, please separate the batteries from the machine and store it at the safety place. The main machine. The dirty point and etc. on the case in the cleaned by wet clothes by neutral cleaning materials and wipe it by drying cloth. Do not keep it in high or low temperature areas, of course. The main machine dislike this, and you will feel uncomfortable if the pasting side of the adhesive pads gets dirty or pasting power is getting weakness more and more. Then you can use the wet towel and clean the dirty side of the regions and pads. Charging the battery is easy. You connect it to your smartphone adapter and then the loading power will start immediately. It is easy to use, easy to handle, and you can feel it if it is on, and if you have some exercise with it. After it, you feel like brand new muscle machine outside. Easy to handle, easy to use, so I like it. It is a different thing to make other exercise. It is a really new experience for me to use that kind of muscle stimulator. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel soon. Soon.